Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to OptionPit.com. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit, welcoming you to our morning volatility report. But first, what are our goodies? Right? Go to our store, look at adjusting positions, managing risk, all of the ways to approach trades trading from a volatility and risk management point of view. Before I get any farther, remember, options have risk. Consult your financial advisor. If you do anything dopey, it is your fault and your fault alone. We are educators. And with that, let's just start. We're opening flat today. Not much is happening. Some of the things we'll look at in our chat room today, we'll go over. One is, again, looking at time spreads in the SPX or the indexes, especially with the weeklies trying to take advantage of the lower vols that we're seeing across the board. Number two is what you noticed yesterday from VIX, the kind of action that we had. Let's take a look. Let's say a little we had the markup from the weekend, but for the most part, after the market, we basically went straight down, and VIX is sort of hovering and teetering at this level. I don't expect a whole lot out of it, to be honest. I think we'll take a look today too in our chat room with VIX, as we do every day. Maybe there's a little edge here in this June 14th cycle. There seems to be a little bit as far as how much premium is left in that strike, which could give us some favorable trades. Next, as we're going, another thing we're looking at is a little potential volatility in EWU. This is something Mark's been talking about last couple of days. We could see more out of this around the election. Mostly because apparently now all elections are volatility events as something new here. And that is something that is not quite going away. Next, we're going to take a look at Amazon. Amazon wants to go to 1,000, keeps getting close to going 1,000. And at this point, trades around there, calendars around 1,000 could look okay. Even some of the shorter-term stuff around 1,000 could look okay. As we're just moving into the last couple days, we could get a little accelerated decay and hit the bricks on a trade like that. So we think it might get to 1,000. Goldman, more of a story in here. This Venezuela bond thing is not getting any better for them. We looked at some put spreads, selling some put spreads in here. Basically, will the stock turn around? It's starting to get to, those kind of short-term panicky levels. We haven't seen it like this for a while, and does it get sort of back to this? Let's just call it, it's getting kind of closer to sort of this pre-election stuff. Every once in a while, Goldman just kind of has, an aggressive, let's just call it an aggressive sales team, and they have a little bit of fallout with these bonds right now. My guess, probably a buying opportunity for Goldman. Is just structuring that, and that's what we'll do today. Another thing that we're looking at is a little bit of a breakout in 3M. Decent earnings with these industrial stocks, and another one we're looking at is Whirlpool as well. There's more of this kind of closed trade tariff talk, things like this, which is this tough talk is kind of pushing these names higher, I feel, and with implied vol just so cheap in these things, just buying calls, near the money calls could do the trick. So I think as far as trend goes, realized vol is low. The market still wants to rally. Besides really this British election, which I don't think is really going to do much except in the EWU, we have kind of another quiet day, and quiet generally has meant up to sideways in this market. And with that, I will see many of you in our chat room today. Also, if you're interested in mentoring services at Option Pit, let me know, Andrew at OptionPit.com or Mark at OptionPit.com. We do a lot of custom mentoring work for people, try to get their trading where they want it to be. So let us know. And with that, you all have a good day and good trade.